Hey everyone, in today's adventure I was invited by my dear friend Carlos to join him, Justin and newcomer Dan for an epic fly fishing trip in the stunning Pecos wilderness of New Mexico. This area is a true gem, showcasing the diverse terrain that our state has to offer, despite being known as a high desert.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Yeah.
Dan?
My name's Dan.
Carlos.
Carlos, nice to meet you.
You got something similar to that? You sleeping on us here?
I'm tired. This breeze makes me feel relaxed.
It's a nice breeze out today,
I'll
people.
move me here in a minute if I get any more relaxed. Are you filming again? Are you saying that?
Yeah, you got jokes,
Yeah,
man.
cut that. Sorry. Sometimes we gotta poop in nature.
Slip knot to your dry fly, it's going to be really tight, right? And when it's really tight, you have to really adjust and mend a lot, right? But when you're using a regular dry fly, you go in from bottom to top, right?
Pinch.
And then you're just gonna, like you're tying your shoes, right? You're gonna pinch it right there, but it doesn't matter. You just gotta make sure that the circle is big enough to put the fly in.
And then you
Through,
go
just
through.
like tying your shoes, like a regular knot, man. Keep it simple, right? You can look on and get confusing as you want. I don't care. I'm a fisherman. I just want to fish. This is the important part. You got to hold it right there at the top of the fly when you cinch down, because that's going to give you the perfect amount. You don't, because this is strong, that loop. If you put too big of a loop, it becomes weak.
Okay, let me show it.
And you got to cut off that excess.
Zoom out a little bit.
Show that we have that loop in there. You see it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna cut off the tag end.
Okay.
You don't have to mend it so much. So every time you hit it, it'll move naturally by itself.
Wow.
Okay.
Wild garlic. You want to try some? If I start tripping out, that means Carlos deceived me.
That means you're having a good time. Come on.
I can smell.
No, it's garlic. It's onions. They're wild chives. Taste one.
Is it the wild onion?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They do taste like it.
It's good.
Here, Carlos. I mean, Justin. Give us a Justin.
Justin.
Wild onions. Tastes good. Take a bite of it. You taste it?
All right. So this is how we're.
Yeah.
Okay, so the easiest way to fish this way, there's areas that both people can be in on the wider. Area one on one side. But generally, we leapfrog each other, right? So if I have this water to that off, the next person will be up where it's better water. And the guy, the last guy, will leapfrog all the way up to the front to the first guy. That way we all get fresh water. Because if we don't, we're going to be fishing behind each other, and then nobody's going to catch fish behind. You know what I mean? Whoever's in front's always going to catch fish. You know what I mean? Okay. And don't hit, stick, and move. You know what I mean? If it's like, if you hit it like at least 3 to 5 times in one spot. You know what I mean? To create a hatch, like I told you. And he walked down there?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's probably already fishing. So anyway, this is where we're starting.
got a little one. Little guy here. There's a beautiful fish here. Let's get him off the hook. I'm catching these little ones right here on the bank. You probably wouldn't expect any fish down here, but they got little browns all over the place here near the bank. Oh, snag this guy. This beauty right here, guys. All right, hey Justin, we're gonna walk up and then fish further up. Looks like it might rain. Yeah. Oh, he's loose already. Dan is learning the art of fly fishing, right, Dan?
Which is what? Patience.
Patience.
Shadow casting.
He caught a lot of trees today, but he's not giving up.
As the day went on, Dan decided to head back to the truck, but Justin and I weren't quite ready to call it a day.
street.
Call the trail.
Yeah.
And this, we took the long trail because I didn't want her to walk through this stuff.
Okay.
This will take us to the trail there, and there's a second one.
Let's walk up, Justin, and fish there for a few minutes, and then we're done.
You'll see this run, and then get smoother by the Pecos. All right.
Yeah. That's what I get for bench pressing that 225. You know what I mean? Wow. Got him. What's that, rainbow? Oh, came loose.
Catch on the top or the bottom?
Top. Justin got him. See a rainbow? Yeah. Oh, you got your net, so. Nice.
Really pretty one. That's one of the prettiest rainbows we've got in the stream so far.
Oh yeah, he's got some pink on him.
Let me get that. Okay. Slayed him because he went for my dry and caught him with the.
What'd you catch him with? Oh, the.
Yeah, it's already out. That's pretty.
Let me see it, Justin. Oh, nice one. Can I use your?
Yep. That's a good size.
Yeah, man. I thought I was hitting rocks. Yeah, it's a beauty right there. Hooked him good because he ran with it. Look at his teeth. Got those little sharp teeth. I gotta use the forceps.
Yep.
Hooked him good.
Just dip them in the water. Oh wait, you got it?
Yeah, you can dip him in the water and I'll take a picture. Yeah, thank you for inviting us.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can do it again, man.
Anytime, man. Anytime.
Yeah.
You know, maybe.
Glad I could tag along, man.
No. That's what we do, man.
You're a good human being, and I really enjoy it, man.
Yeah.
Well, this is my passion. You know, if I can teach people and have them do this, you know, it's a good. They're in the middle of, you know, especially right there. That's that trail. You either go back all the way or you come back. So, anyway, Gentlemen, it's been a pleasure.
All right, thanks,
It's been
man.
a pleasure.
That was a nice
No,
fish
no,
you
man.
caught back over there.
Oh, you saw that?
That was
oh,
good.
thanks. Yeah, it was good. You know, it was
How
a good
big
day.
you think that was?
Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fishing trips and tips.